Panama City Beach Library with another book folding project. Today I'd like to show you how to mark and fold the pages of the book to make this beautiful heart design. For this project you will need one book, a ruler with centimeters on one side, a pencil with an eraser, a bone folder if you choose to use that. I tend to like to use my fingertips, and a pattern to make the heart. This is a free pattern that you can get online. To get started, I need to find where to start marking my book. To do this, you take the total number of pages in your book and divide it by 2. That'll give you the middle of your book. Once you've found that, subtract the number of folds your pattern has. This pattern has 40 folds. So you minus 40 from your center mark. That gives you your starting point. Once I found my starting page, I'm going to turn my book like this and start marking the pages following the pattern. Make sure your ruler's on the centimeter side. I am going to start at 0. I don't always start at 0, but for this project. Following the pattern, you'll see that there's 2 mark lines. Number 1 of the pattern, the first mark is 7, 7. Mark 2 is 8, 9. So I have 2 markings. That's where I will fold the book. I like to make a little check on my pattern so I don't lose my place. Turn the page, line up your ruler. Markings 2 are 7, 1 and 9, 6. So I make a pencil mark at 7, 1, a pencil mark at 9, 6. Turn the page, marking number 3 is 6, 8 and 10, 1. Lining up my ruler, 6, 8 and 10, 1. I mark that off. Number 4, line up your ruler, 6, 6 and 10, 5. Got 6, 4 and 10, 9. The next fold, 6, 3, 11, 2. And you continue for all 40 folds. You continue. I've taken the liberty of marking this book, so I have all 40 folds ready to fold. Now the fun begins. We can start folding the pages to make our pattern. So following the markings that you have on your book, start from the top, you fold it to your mark line at a right angle, seal it, and then for the bottom fold, you're going to fold that up and try to get it as close as you can. Make a nice sharp crease. You can use that bone folder or your fingers. Turn the page, the next fold, right at your marking. Fold that down, and the bottom one, you fold it up, give it a nice good crease, and turn the page. You are just follow the guidelines of your markings wherever. Continue to fold at the marking lines that you made. Nice sharp crease at right angles and fold up. You're going to continue folding. And this is where you see your book come alive, that it starts to get a shape. Keep folding the pages. shape, just the beginning of a heart there. Just take your time, make some nice straight folds, and continue folding. As you can see, this book, it's starting to have a heart shape. You can see the shape of the heart. It's not quite done yet. So I'm going to continue folding along these lines. When you're done, you've created this beautiful heart. It's a lot of fun. Be sure to visit us at the library. We have several books on book folding, and it's a craft I really enjoy. I hope you will too.